Today I'm going to be showing you our 2018 Boston Whaler 230 Outrage. This boat is powered with a Mercury 350 Verado. As we step aboard, you'll notice walk-through transom, leaning post with live well. Has the Raymarine VHF radio, Mercury SmartCraft gauges, Fusion head unit, and of course this boat is equipped with a windlass. Notice at the transom you have the pull-out seat with a live well aft as well. And as you go forward, seating, GL audio speakers, and then our windlass. This is the Boston Whaler 230 Outrage. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.